Okay, I'm back. I have removed 117273 from all these assemblies. Excuse me. I'm going to replace it with 16G475, which is not the same part number I said in my first video because that was a vendor part and it wouldn't let me drop it on the assemblies. So now I'm going to drag and drop it onto each one of these. I'm going to I have to go a little slow because if I go too fast when I'm dropping them, I get a failure. You will see all these little errors popping up. They are meaningless. They just have happened for years and years and years, and nobody seems to know why, so we just ignore them. If I go too fast, I take the chance of crashing the system, so I have to pay attention to how fast I'm going and try to remember the last item was 69030. Go here. And the rule of thumb when doing this is as long as there's some movement here in this window, you're not getting ready to crash. That's just something that we've learned through the years. As long as you keep getting these errors popping up, you're doing good. Which is counterintuitive, but that's how we live. $493, $94. I got to scroll up a little bit. Drop it here. $497 and $498. Now I have to give it a little time to finish up what it's doing. As you can see here, it's a little bit behind where I was. I finished up on 850.3498. And it is on 3437. So I have to wait till it's done doing its thing. I will get that out of the way. Move this over so we can see the fine number and quantity. And now I'm just going to continue waiting till it's done loading to all these assemblies. I'm going to go ahead and do a is used by on this part. And you can see here my assemblies are starting to load here with a 0 fine number. And it'll continue to add through time. Let me see what we got here. I clear my window again, do another is used by. I have the sorted on fine number. I'm actually also going to add a sort of fine number and part number. Hit OK, and OK. So now I'm just waiting for this to finish up. It's only got a couple more to go. As you can see, all the errors are building up here, but they don't mean anything. We just ignore them. And 94. So it's starting to add more here. Fortunately, all of these are going to be fine number 5. So I'll be able to make the change all in one. And it looks like it's finished here at 850.3498. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to verify that I hit every single one of those numbers by doing just a quick comparison, just by window to window. Looks like I've missed something somewhere. 31, 5, 6, 13, 14. Eight, 4, 5, 6, 8. Here we are. We dropped it on 659813 twice. So I have to delete that relationship. Over here. And we're good. So now what I can do is I can highlight all of these. and do info update relationship and hit find number 5 and OK. 5 and OK. What? Looks like some of these might already have a find number 5. I'll have to go back and check and see what the deal is with those. Okay, these here I want to check and see what is wrong with why there's a number 5. Missed taking it off. So I had to, now I can change that to 5. I will check this one. It's probably going to be the same thing. I missed taking off the old magnet, so I'm going to delete the relationship. And update this one to 5. And I'll do the same here. Edit relationship, part masters. You'll see this one had it on here twice. So this one I'm just going to delete that one. Okay, so I will refresh this, do is used by, and there is all our assemblies. So now I have another part I have to replace, so I have to do the whole thing all over again. And that's how we do a part replacement in a bill of material. Thank you.